Have you ever dreamed of creating your own online membership site? With ClickFunnels, it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll explore how to create, manage, and optimize your membership website using ClickFunnels. Membership sites can offer value through exclusive content and community. But how do you build one that attracts members? First, let's sign up for ClickFunnels if you haven't yet. Once you're in, create a new funnel. Choose membership as your funnel type. This action guides you through the setup process, simplifying everything. Next, define your membership tiers. Will you offer free access or subscription-based tiers? Creating tiered levels can entice users to join for exclusive perks. Now let's add content to your membership site. Use the Members Area feature to upload valuable courses or materials. You can add videos, PDFs, and even quizzes to enhance engagement. Next, set up payment gateways for monetization. ClickFunnels easily integrates with Stripe, PayPal, and more. This allows you to securely manage memberships and recurring payments. Now let's implement email marketing. Use ClickFunnels' built-in email automation to communicate with members. Send welcome emails, content updates, or special offers effortlessly. But what about engaging your community? Consider adding a forum or a Facebook group for discussions. Engaged users are more likely to stick around. Next, use analytics to track performance. Check membership access rates and content engagement frequently. This helps you understand what your members love most. Use this data to refine and enhance your offerings over time. So how can you market your new membership site? Leverage social media, collaborations, and online ads. Promote special launches or exclusive content to attract attention. Don't forget to use testimonials. Share success stories from your members for added credibility. In summary, ClickFunnels simplifies building and managing membership sites. Create tiers, upload valuable content, set payments, and engage members. Use analytics to refine your approach continually. Now it's your turn. Start building your ClickFunnels membership site today. Subscribe for more insights and updates. Thank you for watching, and let's grow together.